Fearless focus, how to trust your inner guidance at work. You've discovered the power of intuition. You know clarity brings results. Yet, when critical moments arrive, fear and self-doubt can paralyze your decisions. In Master Key System Chapter 18, Charles F. Haanel reveals the solution. Fear vanishes when understanding appears. Fear isn't your enemy, it's a signal. It tells you where you need deeper trust in your own capabilities and vision. High achievers don't avoid fear. They use it as fuel to sharpen focus and deepen trust in their subconscious mind. Here's how you move beyond fear and fully trust your inner guidance. Try the fear to focus ritual. When fear arises, stop immediately and ask yourself clearly, what am I afraid might happen? Is this fear helping me or holding me back? Then, shift your focus intentionally toward your vision using clear affirmations. I trust myself. I trust my path. I trust my inner wisdom. Doing this regularly builds your confidence, strengthens your mental discipline, and sharpens your ability to act decisively, even in high-pressure work environments. You've now learned to move past fear and trust yourself deeply. But how can you consistently maintain this state of fearless clarity? In the next episode, we reveal how to integrate clarity and confidence into your daily habits. Next, daily mastery, how to make clarity your new normal. Ready to move past fear and fully trust your inner guidance at work? Subscribe now. Fearless focus is your greatest professional asset,